А, Б, В, Г, Д, Е, Ё, Ж, З, И краткое К, Л, М, Н, О, П, Р, С, Т, У, Ф, Х, Ц, Ч, Ш, Щ, твердый знак И, мягкий знак Ю, Я.
Привет, как у вас дела?
Хорошо, спасибо. А у вас?
У нас тоже хорошо, спасибо. Are you ready to start?
Yes.
Yes, great. So we're going to start the lesson with speaking practice, right? We're going to focus on pronouncing sound O, because during our last lesson we struggled a little bit. So to pronounce the sound O correctly, let's smile, open your mouth, then put the tip of your tongue right behind your upper teeth. Just the tip. You should feel the tip of your tongue pressing against your teeth. Hold this position. You see, on the slide right there, it should kind of look like a ship or a boat. So let's try. Put your tongue in this position and let's say really, really,
Li, li,
really, really,
li.
really. Your tongue is moving just a little bit, right? Really, really. You're supposed to feel it brush against your upper teeth. Really, really. Yeah, let's continue. Keep your tongue in the position that is shown on the slide. No, that doesn't sound right. So please focus on keeping just the tip of your tongue on top of your teeth. Nothing else is supposed to touch the roof top of your mouth, okay? So your tongue only touches your teeth with the tip, and the rest lays flat like this. This is your tongue, and here are your teeth. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that's better. And now, il, il. Yep, better. Now, I want you to keep it in this position. Like this. And now we're going to read next one. Stol, again, lu, I'm sorry, stol, uglu, stol, yeah, better. So you notice how v, and uglu, they're merging together. There is almost no pause between them. Uglu, uglu, uglu. Keep your tongue in the right position. Uglu, uglu, uglu. So you go from to Okay, we're going to practice it again later. To the next one. Это стул. Ша, шо, шу. Ша. Okay. Шо. Хорошо. Шу. Ше. Шу. Шу. Хорошо. Жа. Жо. Жу. Же. Жи. Again. Жа, жо, жу, же, жи. Okay, I want you to say j, j. Can you hear the difference between the soft and the hard? J is soft, j is hard. So when you pronounce it, what's the difference? So listen, your mouth kind of goes forward, your lips open a bit wider, and it goes, it opens horizontally, right? It kind of smiles. Okay, I want you to repeat it 3 times. No, that's soft. I want you to repeat the hard. Mhm. So once again, your mouth opens a bit wider. And when you're saying a soft it opens, it smiles, right? So start from and then go. So from smile, you're supposed to go to a bit of an O shape. Okay, let's read it. Ja, jo, ju, je, ju. So it's important to try and pronounce hard j, j. It's mostly because it's almost always a hard sound in Russian. It's never soft, okay? So we have to constantly remind ourselves to, instead of fighting, we have to keep our mouth a bit closer together. Okay, that's better. Let's continue. Продолжаем. Ша, жа, шо, жо, шу, жу, ше, же, ше, же, шу, жу, шу, жу. Not not G. J, 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 J. So E is like this. E, and J is like this. J. Try going from E to J. J, J. Okay, that sounds a lot better. J. Okay, and now go backwards. J. Хорошо, продолжай. Ваши лыжи. Again, наши лыжи. Not ли, Again, лыжи, лыжи. That's better. Next, аш, ош, уш, иш, иш. Osh.
Osh.
Uj.
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 Уж.
Окей, хорошо. Иж.
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 Хорошо. Гараж.
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 Нож.
Нож.
Муж.
Муж.
Малыш.
Малыш. Малыш.
Малыш.
Малыш.
Now please read and keep attention on the stress. Let's read it. Шар.
Шар.
Жар.
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 Yes, you said it right. It was hard. Good job.
Жар. Жар.
Жар.
Жар. Жар.
Да, хорошо. Уже лучше. That's better. Let's continue. Жук.
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 Жук. Шар.
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 Not sha. Can you hear the difference? Sha, sha.
Шар. Шар.
Sha, sha. Shar. Shar. Right. Once again. Shar.
Шар. Шар. Шар.
Okay. Next one. Mush.
Муж. Муж.
Mush.
Муж. Муж.
Mush.
Муж.
It's translated to husband. Шкаф.
Шкаф.
Шкаф. Next. Two syllables. Шапка.
Шапка. Шапка. Шапка.
Шапка.
Шапка.
Шутка.
Шутка.
Не шутка. Шутка.
Шутка.
Шутка. Шутка.
Шутка.
Yeah. We're saying it right. Шутка.
Шутка.
No, harder. Шутка.
Шутка.
We're not closer together. Yes. Шутка.
Шутка.
Yeah. Школа.
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 Yeah. Шуба.
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 Harder. Шуба.
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 Шуба. Шуба.
Дружба.
Дружба. Дружба.
Дружба.
Дружба. Дружба.
Дружба. Yeah.
Дружба.
Дружба. Friendship. Friendship. Важно.
Важно.
Можно.
Можно.
Ложка.
Ложка.
Ложка. Ложка. Ложка. It's kind of like sugar between those two. Ложка. Ложка. Okay, the next. Пожар.
Пожар.
Again, пожар.
Пожар.
Хорошо. Прыжок.
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 Журнал.
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 Журнал. Журнал.
Жу.
Жу. Жу.
Журнал.
Журнал.
Этаж.
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 Look at the sound. Right. Letter. Ж. Say. Sound. Ш. Этаж.
Этаж.
Okay. Гараж.
Гараж.
Багаж.
Багаж.
Окей, хорошо. Продолжаем. Машинка.
Машинка.
Ши. Ши. Маши.
Машин.
Again. Sound И. Letter И. Sound И.
Машинка.
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 Хорошо. Рубашка.
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 Подушка.
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 Хорошо. And the next. Карандаш.
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 Хорошо. Let's read. Let's read this poem. It's a children's poem. It talks about how we should write j, sh, because when we pronounce it, we pronounce I, but we write I. Yeah? Чижи, ужи, ежи, стрижи.
Чижи. Ужи. Чижи. Ужи. Ижи. Уж.
Ежи,
Чижи. Ужи. Ижи. Стрижи. Стрижи. Стрижи.
жирафы, жирафы,
Жирафы.
жирафы, мыши,
Жирафы. Мыши.
и моржи,
Моржи.
моржи,
Моржи.
моржи,
Моржи.
моржи,
Моржи.
машины,
Машин.
машины,
Машин.
шины,
Шины.
камыши,
Камыши.
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 Запомни,
Запомни.
запомни, remember, remember, слоги, слоги,
Слоги. Слоги.
жи,
Жи.
ши,
Жи и ши.
жи и ши. Remember syllables, жи and ши. Well, so before we continue, I want to kind of give you homework. So our languages are different in terms of soft and hard consonants. So in Russian we say a lot of hard consonants. But in your language there is a lot more soft consonants, right? So I want you to practice pronouncing hard consonants, and I want you to find similar consonants to the consonants that you study in Russian. For example, I want you to find similar sounds to sh, sh, ch, and I want you to pronounce them like a hard consonant, okay? So, for example, if there is something like that sounds like j in your language, I want you to try pronouncing it like a hard j, okay? It will help you to pronounce it the right way. So please practice in your free time. Хорошо? Хорошо. Okay. During our last lesson, we practiced creating plural nouns. Look at the algorithm again. Tell me which cases we use e or e to make the noun plural. Which cases? So when do we use we или и to make plural nouns?
Please repeat, we didn't understand.
Please tell me when do we use буква «ü» and буква «и» to make plural noun?
When there are consonants in masculine form, we use e, and when ikratki or soft sign and the k, sh, j, sh, ch, k, we use e.
Yeah, and also
Feminine,
mhm,
when there is a in the ending, we use e, and when ya, we use e. And soft, and when before a and ya there are k, g, sh, j, and ch and k, we use e for them also.
so before we continue, how do I say friends in
Druzia,
Russian? Друзья. How do I say fishes? Multiple fish.
Ribi,
Рыбы. How do I say, let's see, how do I say girls, girlfriends? Feminine. No.
Подруги,
Как друзья, но женщины.
женщины, подруги.
Подруги. Yeah, continue. Yeah. We're going to study new words. Малыш. Малыш.
Малыш,
Хорошо. This word translated as a baby. Understand?
yes, da,
Хорошо. Garage.
garage,
It's a garage.
yes,
Garage. Okay. Карандаш.
Карандаш.
Pencil. Карандаш.
Карандаш, sharp,
Scarf.
sharp,
A scarf. Scarf.
sharp,
Шуба.
shuba,
Full coat. Fuel coat. It's a fuel coat. Shuba.
shuba,
Шапка. A cap. Шапка.
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 Хорошо. Журнал.
Журнал. Журнал.
Журнал.
Журнал.
This is a magazine. Журнал.
Журнал.
Рубашка.
Рубашка.
This is a shirt in Russian language. Рубашка.
Рубашка.
And the last one, sharp.
Sharp. Sharp.
It's a ball.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Sharp. Sharp.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Okay. Now, create sentences with new words. Use both plural and singular forms. This is an example. Please make two sentences with the word sharp.
Sharp. Это sharp.
Это шары, это шар. Это шары.
Это шары. Шары.
And now рубашка.
Рубашки. Рубашки. А там рубашки.
А там рубашки. Great. Хорошо. Журнал.
Журнал.
Журналы. Хорошая работа. О, отлично. Yeah. Keep practicing. It sounds better already. Yeah. Next one.
Тут шапки.
Тут шапки. Так.
Шапки. Шапки.
Шапки.
Шубы. Это шубы.
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 Yeah. Let's say это шуба. Или там шуба.
Это шуба. И там шуба.
Это шубы.
Это шубы. Это шарфи. Шарфи.
Шарфи. Yeah, да.
Карандаши.
Can you please tell me a sentence that translates like this? This is a pen, and this is a pencil.
Это ручка, а это карандаш. This is a pen.
Great. Let's continue. Today we're going to learn verbs. Okay? So in Russian, verbs change depending on a person that we're talking about, on a person that does the action. First person. Yeah. Plural first person. Это мы. Second person. Это ты. You. And
Three.
plural, we.
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 So when I say вы молодцы, I say вы молодцы. Вы молодцы. It's plural. Yeah? Third person. Он.
On.
Например, он Антон.
On Anton.
Она подруга.
Она подруга.
Оно это for the neutral words and inanimate objects. For example, болото, оно, молоко, оно. Right? Next, they, они. Например, Анна и Антон. Это они. Right? So let's just remember the first person is me and us. Second person you and you plural. Third person he, she, it, they. Right? This is we need this to change our verbs. Next. Let's practice speaking.
Это я, это она, мы подруги, это Паша, он Миша, они друзья, это молоко, ты Саша, вы ученики.
So I want you to stop at это молоко. And also with the part of это молоко. Harder. Молоко. And also, please keep your when we ask question, we go ты Sasha. The voice goes up.
जहाँ पे स्ट्रेस होता है वहाँ पे ऊपर जाता है
Sasha. Yeah, intonations, right? Потому что because when I say ты Sasha, that's not question. That's me saying ты Sasha. You're Sasha. When I say ты Sasha, I'm saying are you Sasha? Okay. To the next topic. Present tense verbs change depending on first, second, or third person and whether it's plural or singular form. Let's look at the example. Today we're going to study a word делать. Делать. This is a verb in a neutral form. It's unchanged, and now we're going to learn to change it depending on the circumstances, okay? So, let's start from the top. Word order interaction. Can you see?
Yes.
Видите? Great. Хорошо. Word order. Object plus verb. Like in English, I do, but also in Russian, we can say do I, and it's still going to mean the same thing. So in Russian, the word order is flexible. We can say first verb and then Subject. I'm sorry, there is a mistake in the slide. It's not object, it's subject. Subject is someone who does something. Okay? I'm sorry. First teacher. Это ошибка. Mistake. Instead of an object, it's supposed to be subject. Um, verb plus subject is still the same as object, subject plus verb. Okay, let's just practice changing делать. Делать, to do. First person. Я делаю.
Я делаю.
Мы делаем.
Мы делаем.
Ты делаешь.
Ты делаешь.
Вы делаете.
Вы делаете.
Yeah. Он, она, оно делает.
Он, она, оно делает.
Они делают.
Они делают.
So when we're talking about actions, we can ask, что делаю? Что делаем?
Что делаю?
Что делаем?
Что делаем?
Что делаем?
Что делаем?
Что делаешь?
Что делаешь?
Что делаете?
Что делаете?
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 Что делает?
Что делает?
Что делают?
Что делают?
So, please look at how the verbs end. First person, it ends with you. Then plural, it ends with em. So I want you to just look at this and try to remember, because those endings of the verb, they're going to change depending on the case. Okay? So it's important to memorize, because it's different for different verbs. Okay, let's go to the next verb. The next verb is есть.
Yes.
To eat.
Yes.
Есть. So,
Yes.
есть.
Yes.
No, t is hard. T soft. Есть. Есть. Let's look. Subject plus verb. Okay? Subject, yeah. Verb, ем. Я ем. Я ем. Мы едим. Мы едим. Ты ешь. Вы едите. Он ест. Она ест. Оно ест. Они едят. Я спрашиваю, ты что делаешь? Ответ.
Что делаешь? Я.
Ты что делаешь? Ты? Ой, я.
Я.
Ты что делаешь? Я ем.
Я.
Я ем.
Я ем суп. Я ем.
Да. We're going to discuss this later. I ask, что он делает?
Он ест.
Please. Он ест. Да. А что они делают?
Они едят.
Они едят. А вы что делаете? Вы. Множественное. Plural.
Мы едим.
Мы едим. Great. So, how do I use this word? Let's imagine that we have a verb and we want to use it in the present tense. First, we look what person is used in the sentence. For example, it's me. So it's first person plural, right? And then we ask question, что делаем? And then we change the verb so it answers the question, что делаем? Например, у меня есть глагол есть. And I want to say I eat. I look first person singular. Я что делаю? Я ем. Great. А что он делает?
Он ест.
Он ест. Что они делают?
Они едят.
А что делаю? For example, I want to say you are eating.
Ты ешь.
Ты ешь. Great. Let's see. So there are verbs that end on it. For example, pить. Pить is drink. To drink, right? Pить. Repeat after me. Pить. Pить. It ends on it. So who can guess? How do I say I drink?
Я пью.
Я пью. Ты
Пьешь.
пьешь. Они пьют. So you can see, although it ends on it doesn't follow the rules. And that's the case for many of the verbs. No matter the rules, it doesn't really follow them in our language, right? Okay. But I still want you to look at this table because those endings are still used. Okay, we're ready to go on, right? Продолжаем. Continue. Продолжаем. Отлично. Let's practice. Паша и Саша. Паша и Саша
Ira dealer.
Pasha и Саша. He and he это они. Let's ask question. Они что делают?
Они едят.
Они едят. Great. Ира. Ира это она. Right? Она что делает? Она делает. That's it. Она делает. Right? Я. Я ем. А ты? Ешь. Они тоже едят. Вы? Вы что делаете?
Вы едите.
Вы едите. Great, отлично. Я? Я делаю. И Маша делает. Мы вместе делаем. So this is kind of a hard topic to study because there aren't really set rules and we have to memorize a lot of things. But let's practice once again. Read out loud and change the verbs in the correct form. Okay? Please read.
Pasha и Sasha. Они едят. Ира делает.
Ира делает.
Я ем. Ты ешь.
Да. Ты ешь. No, ешь. Ешь.
Они тоже едят.
Вы.
Вы едите.
Едите. Great. Отлично.
Я делаю. И Маша делает. Мы делаем.
Мы делаем. Next one. Now let's add an object. In the context, subject does the action directly to the object. For example, я ем рыбу. We were adding an object. Я что делаю? Да. Ем кого? Ем гад. Рыбу. Гад. Я ем гад. Yes. Я. Subject. Ем. Verb. Review object.
Why is there who in the end of riba in the sentence?
Can I say it again?
Like in the sentence, there is who at the ending of riba.
Ribu.
Riba.
So, what are you asking exactly? I can hear it. Ribu. Окончание у.
Why is there who and not a?
Okay, we're going to find out right now. Okay. Uh, Notice how riba changes to ribu, right? That's because we use different noun cases. But usually, noun cases, the Russian language has 6 cases to show what function a noun has in a sentence. When we use this case, ribu, when we use this case, рыбу, the noun answers кого что, рыбу, right? Okay. Хорошо. Я ем кого или что? Рыбу. We use different noun cases, right? Do you understand what a noun case is?
Yes.
So, for example, when I say это рыба, the function of рыба in the sentence is different. In the sentence это рыба или рыба там, right? It acts as a subject. And in the sentence я ем рыбу acts as an object at which we direct our action. So я, action, рыбу. So this noun serves different function. That's why we change the ending. And basically, that's what Russian language is about. We change the ending everywhere and every time. And you will just have to remember it. Unfortunately. So, do you understand what we are talking about? Yes? Can we continue with this topic? Yes? No? We will discuss it again. Right now we're just getting the gist of it. So let's choose one word. For example, открытка. It's feminine. Открытка, postcard, right? Открытка, it's a postcard, it's feminine, it ends with a. And for example, I'm saying это открытка, тут открытка. But what if I want to say I'm making a postcard? I'm making a postcard. Я делаю. I can say я делаю открытка. I have to say я делаю открытку. Открытку, right? So the case changes from открытка to открытку. And so, for example, что это? Это открытка. Но я делаю кого, что? Я делаю что? Открытку. Understood? Что? Что открытку? Let's try it with another word. Марка. Сам. Марка. Right? Марка. Это марка. Это марка. But Я делаю марку. Я делаю марку. Marco. It ends with uma now, right? Mm-hmm. Do you notice how it changes? Do you understand why it changes?
Because it acts as an object.
Yeah, it changes from a subject to an object. Exactly. Okay. Это рыба. Это рыба. Я ем. Right. And now to the next part of the table. Это рис. Но при этом я ем рис. See, it doesn't change masculine and it has no ending. Right? If it ends with a consonant and it's a masculine noun, it doesn't change. Я ем рис. Папа делает гараж. И это гараж. It's the same. Try it. Это гараж. Это гараж. Папа делает гараж. It's translated to dad builds a garage. Dad is building a garage. Okay, let's do a quick practice before the end, okay? Папа делает окно. Сын делает уроки. Друзья делают Друзья делают стол. See, stall is masculine, and it ends with a consonant, right? Друзья делают стол. It doesn't change. Это стол. Друзья делают стол. Doesn't change, right? Но мама делает рис и рыбу. Can you repeat this one?
Mama делает рис и рыбу.
Ribble. Right, read doesn't change because it's masculine and it ends with a consonant.
Yes.
But riba is feminine and ends with a, so it changes. Pasha ест, ты ешь рыбу и Great. So, I understand that this is a confusing topic, right? I want you to go through the last one. Dasha. Dasha is a female name. Dasha.
Dasha делает открытку.
Открытку. Great. See? Ира и Маша.
Ира и Маша
Они.
едят рыбу.
Рыбу. Great. Мама.
Мама делает
Шапки и шарфы. So you notice шапки is plural and шарфы is plural too, right? Шапка, шапки. Шарф, шарфы. So sharp one, шарфы multiple. So when it's plural, it often doesn't change the ending to when it turns from a subject to an object. So it stays the same. Okay? So, what do you think about today's lesson? Was it hard? Сложно?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Интересно?
Да.
Интересно? Was it interesting? We're about to end our lesson. I will try to send you all of the theory that we studied today, okay?
Okay.
And also, I made you a test. I will try to send it to you too. And also, I want you to practice making plural nouns.
Okay.
And also, I want to remind you to practice pronouncing hard sounds in Russian.
Okay.
So, whenever you have free time, just try to make the soft sounds, turn them into hard ones. Okay?
Okay.
Great. Thank you for today's lesson. Спасибо.
Спасибо.